Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install S MIME in Outlook for encrypted emails, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install S MIME in Outlook for encrypted emails, first, ensure you have a valid digital certificate for S MIME. You can obtain this certificate from a trusted certificate authority or your organization's IT department. Once you have the certificate, download the files to your computer. Open Outlook and go to the File menu located in the top left corner. Select Options from the menu that appears. In the Outlook Options window, click on Trust Center in the left sidebar. Then, click on the Trust Center Settings button on the right side. In the Trust Center window, click on Email Security from the options on the left. Look for the section labeled Digital IDs, Certificates, and click on Import/Export. Select Import Existing Digital ID to add your certificate. Navigate to the location where you saved your digital certificate and select it. Follow the prompts to enter your password if required to import the certificate. Once the certificate is imported, you will see it listed in the Digital IDs section. Now, configure your email settings for S MIME encryption. In the same Email Security tab, click on Settings under the Encrypted Email section. Select the correct digital certificate for encryption if prompted. You can adjust the default settings for signing and encrypting emails as needed. Click OK to save your settings and return to the Trust Center window. Finally, click OK again to exit the Trust Center and close the Outlook options. Your S MIME setup is now complete. You are ready to send encrypted emails using your digital signature. When composing a new email, select the Options tab. In the More Options group, click on the Encrypt option to encrypt your message. Make sure your recipients also have valid S MIME certificates to read your encrypted emails. This completes the installation and configuration of S MIME in Outlook for encrypted emails. Now you can communicate securely with your contacts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.